This is the public information meeting for the Iowa Highway 27 and 58 reconstruction project. We are using the online format because of the coronavirus pandemic and the restrictions it has placed on public gatherings and meetings. In order to keep projects on track, we are using alternative methods to keep you informed. We will use this online format to update you on the project status and how it will affect you. We also want your input so we can use it in our design as much as possible. In addition to this presentation, there are displays that show more details as to how the project will affect individual properties. You have several ways to give us your feedback. We will touch on that later in the presentation. The reconstruction of Iowa Highway 27 and 58 will start from 0.1 miles south of US Highway 20 within the north corporate limits of Hudson and extend into Cedar Falls north of Ridgeway Avenue 0.2 miles. This project also includes the reconstruction of Ridgeway Avenue from west of Nordic Drive to east of Iowa Highway 27 and 58. As part of this project, the improvements on Iowa Highway 27 and 58 at the interchange with US Highway 20 include a new signalized intersection at the eastbound ramps, additional lane on the eastbound entrance ramp, an additional left turn lane on southbound Iowa Highway 27 and 58. This detail shows the typical cross-section of Iowa Highway 27 and 58 under the existing US Highway 20 bridges. The lowering of the road by approximately 3 feet will provide additional clearance for larger vehicles. This typical also shows the 10-foot wide shoulders, barrier rails, and the additional left turn lane. This figure shows the improvement along Ridgeway Avenue from just west of Nordic Drive through the Iowa Highway 27 and 58 intersection. The improvements at the Nordic Drive intersection include installation of new traffic signals at Nordic Drive that replace the existing temporary signals, a new southbound right turn lane on Nordic Drive to improve traffic operations, dual westbound turn lanes into Fleet Farm. The improvements at the Iowa Highway 27 and 58 intersection include dual southbound, northbound, and eastbound left turn lanes, right turn lanes at all 4 legs of the intersection, new box culverts that are larger to improve drainage and moved further away from the intersection, improved ditching along both sides of Iowa Highway 27 and 58 to improve flow and reduce standing water in the ditch. Also included on this project is the installation of a new shared use path segment that provides a southerly connection between the Prairie Lakes Trail and the Cedar Prairie Trail. This detail shows the typical cross-section of Iowa Highway 27 and 58 just south of Ridgeway Avenue and includes widening of Iowa Highway 27 and 58 at the intersection from 78 feet wide to 110 feet wide. Removal of the outside curb, the addition of paved shoulders, and a wider median for increased separation. All of these features are intended to improve safety along the corridor. This project will require fee title acquisition, permanent easements, and temporary easements. We will need to acquire property along the corridor to provide the improvements described in this presentation. In summary, these improvements include widening of roadways and additional traffic lanes at intersections, improvement of drainage and ditching along Iowa Highway 27 and 58, and an additional shared use path segment from Iowa Highway 27 and 58 to Nordic Drive. You can see what properties this project will affect on the public displays. Those displays are at the same place you registered to watch this online public meeting. If you are affected, someone from the DOT will be getting in touch with you in the near future. Here's what to expect next. As was just mentioned, we will start buying property this October. The project is tentatively set for the letting in October of 2022, with construction tentatively set for the 2023 construction season. If you have questions, comments, or concerns, we would like to hear from you. Please note there are several ways you can reach us. Thank you for attending this online public meeting, and please be sure to let us know if you have any questions or comments.